Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you fix clone app not working. If your clone app isn't working, you need to follow these steps. So before you move on, make sure to open up your respective app store, type in clone app and check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the updated version, so a simple update can fix the issue as well. However, if the issue still persists on, what next you want to do is you want to long press onto the clone application, click on the app info icon, and maybe you could try for stopping it for a couple of seconds and once again enable it. That might also be help. Or else you could go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache, and clearing your storage is going to delete the data. Just be careful regarding it. Only if you want to do it, or else just leave it as it is. Once you've done with this procedure and still the issue continues, then what you need to do is the other thing. You want to restart your device, and sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary bugs or glitch. So that might be able to help. If nothing works out, then you want to consider uninstalling it and reinstalling the updated version of the clone app, and that's going to definitely help you out to fix the problem. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.